So 100%, anything times 100% is basically not going to change, because 100% of something in the percentage world means just 1. So basically you can just treat this as like 1/1. So it's like, oh, which I mean equates to 1. So what is 1 times 5/75? It's going to equal 5/75. So yeah, in the world of percents, 100% just means times 1. So it doesn't actually alter it. This doesn't actually alter this at all. This is just, it's kind of tricky because, like, to get from here, just to get 5/75 to there, I really, unless there's like some equation or thing they're trying to teach you, I don't think you really naturally can. But what you can get to is you can get from 5/75 to 6 2/3%, because fractions are basically just, they're like a division problem. So 5/75, to make that into a percentage, you just basically take 5 divided by 75. And if you do that on a calculator, which I already did earlier, it's like, let's see, 5. Oh, my pen just ran out. Are you kidding me? Wow. Okay. So you take 5 divided by 75, put that in a calculator. If you can get to that, that's going to equal like 0.0666 repeating, or like 7 repeating or whatever. And we all know that just means 2/3, because I don't know, if you just ever use a calculator enough, that's just kind of what you innately know. Like 1 divided by 3 is going to be like 0.33 repeating, 2 divided by 3 is going to be 0.666 repeating, and 3 divided by 3 is going to be equal to 1. So, and then just to convert decimals to like percentages, you just go bop, bop. You just basically take it times 100 to get like an actual, like just a normal percent, because 0.0666 like as a decimal just inherently equals 6.67%, and that's in decimal form. And fortunately, just from years of math, and you just kind of innately know that 0.66667 repeating or whatever is just like basically 2/3 or whatever. So this is just another way of getting to that. So you can just I don't know, just kind of understand that 0.66666 repeating, it just equals 2/3. So, and that will just get you to this 6 2/3%. And then from there, you just do, it's just basically converting mixed numbers to improper fractions. And to do that, you just take the whole number times the denominator. So that's going to be 6 times 3 is going to equal 18. And then you add the numerator. So 18 plus 2 equals 20. And then you keep the same denominator, so 20/3. And then that's how you get to this. And keep in mind, even though this is in fractions, it's still like a fraction of a percent and whatnot. It's just all just to kind of help. It's just all to complicate things, but really, just if you don't get too confused by the percentages and stuff, then you can kind of figure it out. I don't know if that made sense, but I mean, years of math, it just kind of made that understandable for me. But I don't know if they're trying to teach you a formula or whatnot, because it's very hard to just get from 5/75 to 20/3%. Like I don't know how you would do that, but I know how you can get from here to here pretty easy.